Okay, sir.
Opoda.
Yes, sir.
Hi and hello, I'm Dr. Pandian. Thank you very much for all the head of the department, faculty members, and principal dean of various institutions. Till now, we crossed almost 93 to 95 colleges legally really connected through Memorandum of Understanding. Very proudly announced this particular number because last week we signed with 3 furthermore institutions in Salem and Chennai that make well satisfied, and it is because of only the supports given by the faculty members and the management and also the principal dean of the institutions. Thank you very much for the support, and we keep forwarding this particular services to all the biomedical engineers and keep looking forward to the 3-digit marks in connection of institutions with ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited. Thank you very much.